The warm weather is here for a while. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about keeping cool without multiplying your utility bill right after this.
Temperatures are warming up, but we're making it easy for you to chill out with our Today's Homeowner Beat the Heat giveaway. Enter now for your chance to win an Arctic Cove misting kit, the perfect solution to keeping things cool this summer, whether you're working around the house or lounging by the pool. The prize pack also includes some Stay Cool Today's Homeowner gear, perfect for your next barbecue or trip to the beach. Enter today at todayshomeowner.com/giveaway.
Here are a few tips to keep down your utility bills while you lower the temperature in your home this summer. First, use those ceiling fans. A fan stirs up the air around you to create a cooling effect, just like the wind chill we hear about during the wintertime. That allows you to use the air conditioner less or raise the thermostat a few degrees when you do. Also, consider replacing your old fan with an Energy Star model, which uses about 50% less electricity. Another great way to keep temperatures and utility bills low is by blocking or reducing the amount of direct sunlight that enters your home, particularly on the south and west exposures. You can do that from the inside by adding a tinting film to the windows or by closing the blinds or drapes during the daytime. On the outside, you can shade the windows with trees, awnings, or solar screens. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.